This is what happens when a Mexican mom disciplines an American kid.
Maria, I just don't know what to do with Nicholas anymore.
Listen to me, Karen. Bring your son today here at 4 o'clock at my house. I am going to teach him to not be grosero with you anymore.
Are you sure, Maria?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. See you later, okay? Bye bye. Le voy a enseñar a este pinche bolillo a respetar a su madre. Ay, ya llegaron.
Please, Nicholas, I want you to behave.
Don't tell me how to live my life!
Oh, hello.
Oh, hey, Maria. I'm just gonna leave Nicholas here with you.
Oh, yes, that is fine.
Okay, Nicholas, I'm gonna pick you up at 9 p.m. Thank you so much, Maria. Come here, sweetie, give your mommy a kiss.
Ay, hijo de la chingada, ¿no? Pero la pinche culpa la tiene esta pendeja por no hacer nada. Mira nada más que pinche chingadazo.
Okay, I'll be back later. Bye.
Okay, bye. Coming. Now. Vas a ver, pinche escuincle chiqueado, te voy a enseñar a valorar a tu madre.